Hello everybody, this is Hemant who is going to explain you the lesson number 3, 9 class MP board. The name of lesson is Little Girls Are Wiser Than Men. Little Girls Are Wiser Than Men, written by Leo Tolstoy, a Russian writer, novelist, dramatist. He has written so many beautiful stories, and here the moral story he has given to you to learn little girls wiser than men. First, I would like to summarize, then explain line to line to you all. It was a Easter day. Easter means it is assumed that Christ has taken his new life. It is known into Christian community. They pray, they go to church on every Easter. It is celebrated nearby March and April month. And after praying, it happened with two girls, Akulya and Malasha. They met between two homesteads. There a puddle was formed with dirty water. They started playing, though they wore beautiful frocks. Younger one was wearing blue print frock and another was wearing yellow print frock. They had kerchiefs on their head also. So they decided to play in the puddle. They removed their stockings and shoes, and thereafter they started playing. Little girl, she started a naughty bed there, and she started splashing water on another girl, and after some time Akulya's frock was disturbed. It became dirty and there was stains on her cheek. So Akulya got angry with the Malasha. She gave a slap and Malasha started weeping. After that, Akulya's mother came out of the house and Akulya said to her mother, She is the Malasha. She spoiled my frock. Then Akulya's mother also got angry and she could not check her patience to give a slap to Malasha. Malasha started weeping very badly. After looking to this matter, her mother came out. Malasha's mother came out. She started fighting with Akulya's mother. And slowly, another neighbor, another women, they came out of their houses. They started fighting with each other. After some time, Akulya's grandma, she also came. And she was astonished to see, she was taken aback to all of these things, to see all of these things. She started to keep quiet, all men and women. She started to face the matter, but nobody was listening to her. Everybody was busy fighting and quarreling. But Malasha, before going ahead, I would like to say one thing, that children are having very habits to fight with each other. They forget each and everything. After some time they forgive. This happened with Malasha also. Malasha forgot each and everything. She started to dig a stream near puddle, and there was a stream, followed a stream by Malasha, so that dirty water could go out to the street. Akulya joined her after some time. By smiling face, she also started to dig the another channel, and the water started to go out of the puddle. They became friends once again. After that, the grandma told to the youth crowd, look how nice these small girls, these little girls are doing. They are forgetting each other's enmity, and they are forgiving each other, and they started playing. So why don't you do like this? Better you become child. This was the thing. Their men and all women, they got ashamed and they stopped their quarreling over there and went back to their house. By this way, this story became a happy ending. What I mean to say, the morality is that The greatness in our thought is we should develop the thought to forget and forgive the enmity. This is the greatness. This is just one kind of greatness. This morality has been derived from this story, and such a beautiful story. I suppose you will like to listen. If you are listening very nicely, go up to the end and don't forget to like my channel. By this, goodbye. Next, I am going to explain you the complete lesson line by line. Please listen carefully. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.